Hello everyone, my topic is about I am Vietnamese. I love Vietnam. Let's go. I am Vietnamese. I'm an international Vietnamese. I'm from Vietnam. I'm from a great nation. I love my country. I love my people. I enjoy losing fights. I enjoy speaking English. I want to communicate with the world. I want to change my life. Let's practice English crazily. Let's master English to make Vietnam stronger. Let's just it. Let's just do it. Right here, right now. Take action. I want to change my life. And I love Vietnam. Vietnam is a beautiful and great country. She has a long history and colorful culture. Vietnamese people are very friendly and polite. They are working hard to make Vietnam stronger. Vietnam is changing every day. Vietnam is making the best. She is becoming stronger and stronger. I am so proud of my country. I love Vietnam. I love my motherland. I will never uh, let my country down. Thank you with me. Goodbye.